Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today in this video, let's continue our chapter, which is chapter number 3, from tasting to digesting. In the last video lecture, you understood about the basic content, what is taste, how do we identify the taste, and which organ is behind this tasting, that is tongue. Now, how do this tongue can able to identify the taste? So, answer is very simple. That is that tongue is having very little bubble-like structure. These bubbles are named as taste bud. This taste bud help us to identify that given substance is given whatever the food is there, that food tastes either sweet or sour or spicy or salty or bitter. Understand? So this much we have completed in the last video lecture. Now today we are going to continue to understand about the further thing, that is digestion. Okay, so what is the main content of digestion, that why digestion is important? So whatever the food you consume, that is available in a complex form. ओके आप बहुत सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स उसके अंदर मिक्सअप करके खाना बनाते हो, राइट? ओके, सो it is considered as a very complex form. So your body is going to convert this complex form into the simpler one, and this process is named as digestion. So you might have questioned that when you chew the food and then directly swallow it, so what exactly happened after completion of chewing process or after swallowing? Where does this food go? So that is considered as a digestive system. ओके, सो डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में सबसे पहला स्टेप है टू टेक इन फूड, ओके, जिसको हम इंजेक्शन प्रोसेस बोलते हैं. Ingestion process means whenever we take food into our mouth, chew it properly and then swallow it. This process is considered as an ingestion. Then after, the main process starts, named as digestion. Now digestion means what? Digestion means convert complex food into simpler one. This process is considered as a digestion. ओके, सो डाइजेशन के अंदर आप जो भी खाना खाते हो, इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ मल्टीपल इंग्रेडिएंट्स. ना दिस इंग्रेडिएंट कंसिस्ट सम इम्पॉर्टेंट कंपोनेंट्स विच इज़ रिक्वायर्ड फॉर आवर बॉडी. मीन्स हमारी बॉडी के लिए कुछ कंपोनेंट्स हैं वो बहुत एसेंशियल है. कौन कौन से कंपोनेंट? सो आंसर इज carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamin and minerals. ओके, हमारी बॉडी के लिए 5 कंपोनेंट्स है वो बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है: कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, फैट, प्रोटीन, वाइटामिन एंड मिनरल. नाउ दिस फूड कंसिस्ट ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म ऑफ दिस वेरियस न्यूट्रिएंट्स. So when you swallow the food, at that time inside the stomach and small intestine, the food is been digested, means convert from complex form into the simpler one. So now let's understand the digestive system into detail. Okay, this portion is considered as your mouth. This one is considered as a mouth. So now this mouth is having teeth, tongue and saliva. Now what is saliva? Saliva is the liquid which is present in your mouth. Means when you heard your favorite food like pizza, burger or even imli. So whenever you heard it, definitely your mouth is filled with water. This water is nothing but the saliva. Now what is the work of the saliva? Saliva's main function is to digest the carbohydrate present in the food and gives you energy. Okay, as I already told you that food is having various components named as carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamin, minerals, likewise, yes. Okay, so when you chew your food continuously for a long time, like suppose you are chewing approximately from 30 to 40 times, so at that time your food is mixed with this saliva, and this saliva is going to digest the carbohydrate which is present in your food. Okay, and it will going to help you to digest the carbohydrate and produce energy, and this energy will help you to work physically or mentally. So this is the first process in which we are going to understand the digestive system's first portion. So number one, digestion means what? Digestion means to convert the complex food into the simpler one by your body is named as digestive system, or should I say digestion process. Okay, digestion process start with eating. When you take the food and eat it and keep it inside the mouth, this process is considered as the ingestion process, and with the help of ingestion process, the food is break down into small pieces with the help of teeth. Okay, your teeth is going to break down the food into small pieces. Your tongue will going to help you to identify the taste of the food. Also help you to move the food from one side to another side of the mouth, and then the saliva will get mixed during this process. This saliva is going to digest the carbohydrates and convert it into simpler form and produce energy, which help us to perform mental as well as physical work. Now the question arises that what will happen when you swallow the food. Okay, so you see that this portion is considered as this is the neck portion. When you swallow the food, so this food will transport from your mouth to this pipe named as esophagus. You can also name as food pipe. It is also named as food pipe. So this food pipe's main function is to transport the food from mouth to stomach. ओके, ये एक पाइप जैसा है जिसका काम है कोई एक चीज़ को दूसरी जगह पे पहुंचाना. ओके, सो फूड पाइप्स मेन फंक्शन इज टू ट्रांसपोर्ट द swallowed food from your mouth to stomach. Now what will happen in the stomach? So this is a stomach. Stomach's main function is to kill the harmful bacteria which comes with your food. समटाइम्स इट हैपन्स दैट कुछ हार्मफुल बैक्टीरियाज आपको नहीं दिखते हैं, लेकिन खाने के साथ साथ में आपकी बॉडी के अंदर चले आते हैं. सो इनसाइड द स्टमक दीज हार्मफुल बैक्टीरिया विल गोइंग टू बी किल्ड. ओके, स्टमक है वो ये हार्मफुल बैक्टीरियाज को क्या कर देगा, उसको मार देगा. ओके, उसके अलावा और क्या करेगा? सो उसके अलावा आपके खाने के अंदर जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट कंपोनेंट्स है उसको ब्रेक डाउन करेगा. नाम है प्रोटीन. ओके, सो आपके खाने में जो प्रोटीन कंटेंट होता है, दिस प्रोटीन इज गोइंग टू बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू सिंपलर फॉर्म and help us to digest it and due to that reason our body gets grow. ओके, सो प्रोटीन है वो हमारी बॉडी में क्या काम करता है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स था जो सलाइवा ने डाइजेस्ट किया उससे एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस हुई, प्रोटीन था वो डाइजेस्ट होके आपकी बॉडी में ग्रोथ करवाएगा, हेयर ग्रोथ, नेल ग्रोथ, आपकी हाइट का ग्रोथ, आपकी बॉडी के अंदर अलग अलग बोन्स मसल सब कुछ होता है तो वो ग्रोथ के अंदर वो काम आएगा. Okay, once this process is completed, then your stomach will going to send this food into the small intestine. Okay, you can see that a very huge pipe is there which is available in a coil form. Okay, coil के form के अंदर available है. It is named as small intestine. Now this small intestine will going to digest your food completely. मीन्स अगर आपको पूछे 1 मार्क में कि आपकी बॉडी में कंप्लीट डाइजेशन कहाँ होता है, then answer will be small intestine. In small intestine the food is been completely digesting. Understand? Now we are moving to the next one. Okay, so whatever the complex food form the food was, whatever the food which was in a complex form in small intestine, it is going to be completely digested. Okay, अब डाइजेस्ट हो गया उसके बाद क्या होगा, सो जो भी डाइजेस्टेड फूड है और फूड में से आपको जो काम की चीज़ें मिली, स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन इसको कहाँ पे भेज देगा, इनटू द ब्लड. ओके, कहाँ पे भेज देगा, ब्लड में, and blood will going to transport the food throughout the body parts. Get it? Now let's move to the next. Once the digestive process is completed, अब जो भी आपके पास बचा that is considered as a waste. Okay, so this waste is going to transfer from the small intestine to the large intestine. जब बाहर का जो पोर्शन पिंक कलर का है, it is named as large intestine. In large intestine what will happen? In large intestine the food is going to transport and large intestine will absorb the water and salt from the large intestine. मीन्स आपके खाने में सारी काम की चीज़ें हमने स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन के अंदर ले ली. ओके, अब जो भी बचा है वो एक काइंड ऑफ वेस्ट है, एंड वो वेस्ट के अंदर क्या होगा, अभी भी वाटर एंड सॉल्ट जो काम की चीज़ है वो अभी भी अवेलेबल है. सो लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन विल गोइंग टू एब्जॉर्ब इट. सो whatever the waste which is remain, all the salt and water is been absorbed in the large intestine, then it will remain the waste, and this waste is been going to store temporarily into the sac like structure named as rectum over here, and then from time to time the waste is been removed with the help of anus. So like this way you have observed what exactly happen in the digestive system. First taking in food, and one by one all the components are converted into simpler form, and then the waste is been removed time to time through anus. Okay, so I hope you understand the digestive system. In the next video lecture we will continue the next content of the chapter. Have a nice day. Bye. So whatever the waste which is remain, all the salt and water is been absorbed in the large intestine, then it will remain the waste, and this waste is been going to store temporarily into the sac like structure named as rectum over here, and then from time to time the waste is been removed with the help of anus. So like this way you have observed what exactly happen in the digestive system. First taking in food, and one by one all the components are converted into simpler form, and then the waste is been removed time to time through anus. Okay, so I hope you understand the digestive system. In the next video lecture we will continue the next content of the chapter. Have a nice day. Bye.